Hi and welcome to an episode of Another Piece of Scrap.
Crap.
Hi, in episode 2 we complete the dodgy electrics on the Dodge. So, I'm thinking grindy, like so.
Yeah.
That'll be fine. So, I can't see.
To the other side and see what happens.
It's a lot taken off, isn't it?
There's a heck of a lot taken off, yeah. I'd wear gloves, that's going to be warm.
What do you reckon?
Go for it.
Maybe not quite so much?
Well, you have to make it level, aren't you? Here we go.
So what we've done then, we've replaced the positive terminal. So that's a lot of need. So we've had to grind down that to actually clamp onto the wire.
Replacing that.
Replacing this rather horrible, about to break and lumber me in a hard shoulder somewhere. That was a wee bit, wasn't it? Wee! We're going to live with this for now and tidy it up later on, as we haven't got the right components to tidy this up too much now, but it works. So we're going to reassemble the battery brace, put the battery back in and see if it starts and see if everything works.
Also helps the light.
So, piece of helpful inner tube.
The speed of those fingers. That's now tight.
Okay.
Right. So
that one goes on the back.
you're joking.
Bang!
Yeah, that's it. Right.
And then that needs tightening up.
Yep.
So
Spanner.
I need a 13mm spannage. I might be on the bench.
No, and no. No.
Ah, okay.
You lie. You lie like a cheap Japanese watch. Ta-da!
That'll be the one. And then this one. Doesn't reach. Yes, it does. Kidding.
Oh, look at that. We have one very sexy looking clamp.
No, you just...
Probabilities, that's a 10. I would use this socket, personally, yeah, just out of ease.
Oh, this is so easy compared to the lecture of what I've had on here.
Tight.
It's almost a pleasure.
Right, you got to do your funny little screwy thing in your...
Yep.
We'll see if it blows. Starts. Oh, he said he had to screw loose. Right, got a cap. Right, moment of truth.
We have mood lighting.
Oh, they have mood lighting.
I am going to just move the magnetic lights before we start the engine.
Just to go into the look, mood lighting. Normally a grumpy mood, but mood lighting nevertheless. We've got lights.
Yeah. So see if it turns over.
Moment of truth. Well, obviously it runs. We have no smoke, which is always a good thing. But, no, I think that's what Ed's on about, the lights. So I do that. Ooh, you bitch. You bitch. I don't like him anymore. I was just about to touch the wire on the terminal, you scumbag. It scared the living crap out of me. Do your own blinging light. Right, this is me signing off. This is the last time you'll see Ed. Bye.